Welcome to BaseConverge. So in this video, we want to discuss how you can set up your classes, your session, and your subject on your BaseConverge account. So as a school, you've signed up for you to be able to use BaseConverge virtual learning platforms, or which is the virtual classroom, or you want to use the CBT or computer based test. It is mandatory for you to have your classes set up, your session set up, and your subject set up. So quickly, we're going to take you through how you can do that. It's very simple and pretty straightforward. So all you need to do is that in your menu, navigate under settings, and you're going to click on classes to be able to set up your classes. It's very simple. All you need to do is hit your add button, then type the class name that you have, right? So these are classes that are already been added. You can click on these three dot icons, then you can edit any class at any point in time. All you need to do is change the name and click on save, or you can as well delete the class at any point in time. So I'm going to quickly just add a simple class. Let me just say an online class. Here I'm going to say save is record. It has recorded this online class into my class table, into my class database. So I can at any point in time edit it or remove it from my class list of classes, right? So this is how to add your classes. It's just as simple as that. Now the session. If you want to add your sessions, we believe that there's some schools, a couple of schools that have their classes splitted into sessions. So like SS1A, SS2B, SS2C, like that and so on. All this, our solution is, our BaseConverge is asking from you is that create the start session you have to the end session you have. Don't worry about creating SS1A, SS1B, no. When you are adding your subject, when you're adding your virtual timetable, those things will be matched together for you. All you just need to do is just that where if you have your harms or session, or as it is you might want to call it, or you do call it, if you have it from A to D, all you need to do is that you create A to D in here, right? You can add session. It's just as simple as that. Type the session or arm or whatever it is that you call it in your school or your college. Just click on save. You're just going to save it into your session list. You can edit, you can remove, you can add at any point in time as you wish, right? So, but we advise that you get it for you to be able to remove. Ensure that you have all of your sessions set up properly before you add anything. So, because if you remove any session and you have student or timetable in those sessions, it's going to affect your student record or timetable record. So that is that on how to add and manage your session. Then let's go to subject. How to add, manage your subject. There are two options we have created for you here. It is either you do one by one addition, or you do a bulk upload to save you time, right? For one by one addition, all you need to do is that click on your add button, hit the add button, select the class you are creating this subject for, and select the session or the harm, as you may want to call it, that is offering this subject. Then type the name of the subject, then you hit your save record. So it's going to add it to your subject list. Now let's assume you have list of lot of subjects, which you believe you have a lot of subjects, and you wouldn't want to go through that route of creating one by one. It's going to take your time. You can do a bulk upload. Okay, so hit the bulk upload button. You're going to be given an option. There are steps. Step one, you need to first download the sample. That means you have to download a sample, a CSV sample, which you can open with your Excel file. Now, please, it's very important. Do not change the order of arrangement. Do not change the order of arrangement of this format. And after you have populated the record, please do not change the extension, the .csv extension. If you do that, you won't be able to upload the bulk data into this system. So what you need to do is that click on open. So when you open these files, the information we're asking from you is just simple, or the system will be requiring from you is just simple. It's something, all you just need to do is just that follow the columns as in the Excel. It's going to come up. I'm going to show it to you. Now when you follow the columns, then all you need to do is that place in the appropriate data, populate it accordingly to the way you have it, right? Do not, let me repeat please, do not change the arrangement. It's going to alter the entry into your system. Also, do not change the format away from .csv to .excel or whatever it is. Ensure that when you are saving it, it remains in .csv. Okay, let's take a look of our record of our Excel file. It's coming up. Okay, so as you can see in the Excel sample that you downloaded, you can see we have classes, we have session, and we have subject. Please note and note, in the classes, the way you have typed your classes, if you type your classes to, let's say, GS1, it's GSS, and you leave a space 1, it has to be like that. If you combine these together, I mean this way, the system will not recognize this particular class. So you have to be very careful about that. So it's very important. So you put in your class, you populate your class, populate the session that is offering that particular subject, and you put in the subject. Just do the population. Please do not change the order of this arrangement. And when you do that, and you hit on and you try to save this particular file, it's going to ask you, do you want to retain the .csv? Please ensure you retain the .csv. If you don't click on yes, you save as another format, you won't be able to upload it. So once you have populated this record, all you need to do is save on your system or where it's downloaded in, or where you can easily locate it. Close this particular document, then go back to your portal. When you get into your portal, then select the file to be able to upload. Then select where you have your file, whatever it is that you save it on your system, then click on Hit Bulk Upload. The system is going to automatically upload all of those for you by itself. All you just need to do is confirm that the subject belongs to the appropriate class, and you are good to go. Thank you for listening, and you can go further to watch all other videos that we have on our playlist to be able to get used to how to effectively use your BaseConverge portal. Thank you.